Today I'm going to show you how to make lactose-free rainbow cupcakes. We'll start by putting in 2.5 cups flour, 1.5 cups white sugar, 1 tablespoon plus 1 teaspoon baking powder, and 1 teaspoon kosher salt. Then, we'll whisk that all together. Once that's done, we're going to add in 3 tablespoons olive oil, now mix well. Should be a few lumps here and there, just like mine, see? Now, we're going to add in lactose-free milk, 1 cup. We're going to also mix in 2/3 cup vegetable oil and 2 teaspoons vanilla extract. Once that's mixed together well, we're going to add in 4 egg whites. How you do egg whites is you have 2 bowls. You crack your egg and let all the egg white drain into 1 bowl. Switch it back and forth between each side of the eggshell. Make sure no eggshells get in. Then once you've gotten all of your whites in, you put the yolk into a different bowl. You can also put your eggshells in there if you want, or you can throw them away. Your choice. You do that with each egg. Now make sure that after you've handled eggs, you wash your hands because eggs can have bad sicknesses in them like E. coli. Mixing your egg whites, make sure that everything is stirred together very well. Okay, once you've got that mixed together well, you're going to take 5 bowls and get the batter separated into them as evenly as possible. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take liquid food coloring and we're going to put just a few drops of red into 1 bowl, then some drops of red and yellow in another bowl. In the 3rd bowl, you're going to put in green. Another bowl, you're going to just put in plain yellow. And then in the last bowl, you're going to put in blue. I suggest only doing some so that it turns out a really nice turquoise color. Now we're going to mix in the food coloring in with the batter. Now grab your pans and your cupcake liners and line your pans. Now, you're going to take each color. You're going to start with red. You're just going to pour a little bit at the bottom of every liner. You want to fill your cupcake liners up about 3/4 full. Make sure you'll get your batter in rainbow order, or really any order works because they're all different colors. It'll look cool and taste delicious no matter what. Done, we're going to get them in the oven. Make sure you preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and then we'll go and put them in the oven. Make sure that you're very careful, and if you aren't comfortable handling the oven, get an adult's help. Set your timer to 18 minutes. And then we'll check on them. Now that your timer's gone off and the cupcakes are almost done or almost done cooking, you want to make sure you have on some oven mitts so you don't burn your hands. Take your cupcakes out of the oven. Now use a toothpick to test a few cupcakes. When you see that your edges of the cupcakes are golden brown, you know that they're done cooking too, so that's also another thing you can look for. Toothpick is clean, so we know that these cupcakes are done, and we're going to throw the toothpick away. Now, grab some hot pads, place them on the counter. Carry your cupcakes over. going to do is you're going to take a few marshmallows, well, mini marshmallows, and stack them on the cupcake very carefully. Okay, so we put all the marshmallows on. I put 4 on each. You can do more if you want. They may roll off while they're cooking, but that's okay. Very carefully, put these into the oven. A few marshmallows may roll off, but that's fine. Now, we'll just let them sit for a little bit. We'll open it after about 30 seconds and we'll see if the tops of the marshmallows are browned. If they are, then we know that they're done. And then we can take them out and let them sit for a little bit and then you can eat them. That's the best part. Okay, so see how these marshmallows are getting big? That means they're done. They didn't brown, but it's just fine. It happens sometimes and it doesn't happen others. See, these marshmallows are huge. It's gonna taste so good. Okay. Now we'll let them sit for a few minutes so they don't burn people's mouths. And then enjoy. Now for the best part, seeing the inside and eating it. Look at those colors.